Hello friends! Did you know a jar of Nutella is sold every 2.5 seconds somewhere in the world? Incredible, right? This iconic spread gets its magic from just 5 ingredients: cocoa, milk, sugar, palm oil, and hazelnuts. But how do these simple ingredients come together to create Nutella's magic? Let's uncover. The first ingredient we're diving into is cocoa, the heart of Nutella's iconic taste. Cocoa is a crucial ingredient in Nutella, delivering the rich, chocolatey flavor that perfectly balances the sweetness of sugar and the nuttiness of hazelnuts. It all starts with cocoa pods, sourced primarily from West Africa, including Côte d'Ivoire and Ghana, renowned for their high-quality production. The journey begins with harvesting. Ripe cocoa pods, often yellow or orange, are carefully cut from trees using machetes. Each pod contains 20 to 50 cocoa beans, surrounded by a sweet white pulp. The beans are then extracted and prepared for the next critical step: fermentation. Fermentation, lasting about 5 to 7 days, is key to developing the beans' rich flavors. During this time, natural yeasts and bacteria break down the pulp, generating heat that enhances the beans' chocolatey aroma while reducing bitterness. After fermentation, the beans are dried in the sun for 5 to 10 days to reduce moisture content to around 6 to 7%. Regular turning ensures even drying and prevents mold. Once dried, the beans are sorted, bagged, and shipped to production facilities. At Ferrero's, the journey of cocoa beans begins with rigorous quality checks. Each batch is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the company's high standards. Only the finest beans that pass these stringent tests proceed to the next stage of processing. The first step in processing is roasting the beans. Once roasted, the beans are shelled to remove their outer layer, leaving behind the pure cocoa nibs. These nibs are then ground into a smooth, velvety cocoa mass. The cocoa mass undergoes further refinement in a pressing process that separates the cocoa butter from the dry cocoa's cake. The cocoa butter, prized for its silky texture, is set aside for use in other products, while the dry cocoa cake takes on its next transformation. This cake is finely ground to create high-quality cocoa powder. This meticulously crafted cocoa powder is now ready to be blended with other premium ingredients. Next up is milk, another key ingredient in Nutella, giving it that signature creamy texture and smooth consistency. It all starts at dairy farms, where fresh milk is collected, quickly cooled to below 39 degrees Fahrenheit to preserve its quality and nutrients, and sent to the dairy for processing. At the dairy, the milk undergoes strict quality checks to meet Ferrero's high standards. Once approved, it's skimmed to remove the cream, leaving nutrient-rich skim milk. The skim milk is pasteurized at 161 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds to eliminate bacteria while maintaining its natural properties, then rapidly cooled to lock in freshness. Finally, the milk is spray-dried into powder. But why powder? Because it blends seamlessly with other ingredients and offers a longer shelf life, making it perfect for Nutella production. Sugar is another fundamental ingredient in Nutella. Ferrero sources its sugar from trusted suppliers worldwide, primarily in the form of beet sugar and refined cane sugar. The journey of sugar beet begins in temperate fields where the beets thrive. Harvesting typically takes place in autumn with advanced machinery used to lift the beets from the soil. After harvesting, the sugar beets are transported to processing plants. Here, they undergo thorough cleaning to remove dirt, stones, and other debris. Once cleaned, the beets are sliced into thin strips known as cossettes. The sliced beets are then soaked in hot water through a method called diffusion. This step extracts the sugar from the beets, producing a juice that is rich in natural sweetness. However, this raw juice still needs purification. After purifying, juice is boiled under vacuum to concentrate it into a thick syrup. As the syrup cools, sugar crystals begin to form. These crystals are separated from the remaining syrup using centrifuges, resulting in perfectly white sugar crystals. But why such fine crystals? They dissolve completely and blend seamlessly with other ingredients, which is crucial for achieving Nutella's signature silky texture. Next up is palm oil, a key ingredient in Nutella that ensures its smooth texture and long shelf life. Palm oil is extracted from the pulp of the Elaeis guinensis fruit sourced from tropical regions like Malaysia and Indonesia. These palm trees produce red fruits in massive bunches, each weighing between 22 and 88 pounds. The oil is obtained by pressing the fruit pulp, which is naturally rich in oil, making up 45 to 65% of the pulp's weight. This high oil content makes palm oil both efficient and ideal for Nutella. It provides the creamy texture we love and prevents ingredient separation without any artificial stabilizers. Now finally, hazelnuts are the star of Nutella's recipe, giving it its rich, nutty flavor and creamy texture. The journey begins in hazelnut orchards, primarily in regions like Italy, Turkey, Chile, and the USA, where the trees thrive in Mediterranean-like climates. An interesting part is that Turkey produces nearly 70% of the world's hazelnuts, making it a key supplier for Nutella. The harvesting process typically takes place in late summer, a season when hazelnuts reach their peak ripeness. Farmers carefully monitor the trees, ensuring the nuts are ready to be collected. Once ripened, the hazelnuts are either gently shaken from the trees or fall naturally and are gathered from the ground. After harvesting, the nuts are dried to reduce moisture below 6%, ensuring they stay fresh during storage and transport. Once they arrive at Ferrero's factories, they undergo rigorous quality checks. Experts inspect the nuts for size, shape, taste, and aroma. The first step in preparing hazelnuts for Nutella begins with an automatic cleaning process. Here, any dirt particles or debris that came with the nuts during harvesting are removed, ensuring only the cleanest hazelnuts move forward. Next, the hazelnuts are sorted by size using advanced machinery. But why sort them? Uniformly sized hazelnuts are essential for consistent roasting, a crucial step in developing their rich, nutty flavor. And now, the exciting part, roasting. Yes, roasting is where the hazelnut's flavor truly comes to life. Generally roasted in small uniform batches, this step unlocks their rich, nutty flavor and enhances their aroma. It's a critical phase, and Ferrero's master roasters carefully adjust the roasting parameters such as temperature and duration based on the nut's size, moisture level, and origin. This meticulous process ensures a perfectly even roast while preserving the hazelnut's natural freshness and enhancing their flavor. After roasting, the hazelnuts are finely ground into a silky smooth paste. This critical step is completed at the last possible moment to retain their maximum freshness and aroma. The freshly ground hazelnut paste is then combined with other ingredients in large mixing tanks. Each ingredient plays a vital role in creating Nutella's iconic taste and texture. Before Nutella is packaged, every batch is tested for taste, texture, aroma, and consistency. Once approved, the perfected mixture is then poured into iconic jars with precise measurements. Sealed to preserve freshness, labeled and stamped for traceability, the jars are packed and shipped to delight fans worldwide. And that's a wrap for today. Now you know how our favorite Nutella is made, from carefully sourced hazelnuts, cocoa, and milk, to the smooth, creamy spread sealed in its iconic jar. If you enjoyed learning about this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious behind-the-scenes food stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.